In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create video in seconds with Canva AI tool. So start by heading over to Canva AI and here select video clip. Now type in a prompt like this and click on the submit button. Canva AI will then generate a video layout with scenes, text, and visuals, and you might be given options, so just choose the one you like. Once generated, choose the modifications that you want for your video, start customizing the text, replace clips, and add images. You can also adjust timing between scenes until you get the result that you want. Also, enhance your video with music, animations, and effects to make it more engaging. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!